Christine Gates, and I'm a citizen science with Port Adelaide Enfield Council volunteer program. I've got a couple of mentors who are very experienced with birds, so when I started here at Mutton Cove, I didn't know much about the birds at all. I observed along this transect, it's a 200 metre transect, and I observed the different birds that are in this area and recorded on a national database. This has beautiful samphires, and as we see, it's actually a new mangrove forest that's growing here. It's a really interesting natural piece of landscape here on the peninsula where everything else has changed. I get excited when I see the migratory birds coming in. There's a sharp-tailed sandpipers who sometimes come in, and that's always exciting to see them because they've travelled